How to log out of Gmail on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out of Gmail on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log out of Gmail on your iPhone, all you have to do is launch the Gmail application, and here you can see I'm logged into my account. So what you need to do is simply make sure to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen and go to manage accounts on this device. And if you want to go ahead and then just remove it from Gmail only, you can turn off the toggle and it will not show up on Gmail. But if you want to remove that Gmail account from your iPhone itself, you can just tap on remove from this device. That's totally up to you. If you only want to remove from the Gmail app, just turn off the toggle. If you want to remove it from device itself, tap on remove from this device in order to do so. This way you can go ahead and then log out of Gmail on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.